So welcome back. So let's learn more about function. So as we have learned more about these functions, like it accepts these arguments, you can pass these parameters. So what's the difference between parameters and argument? So when I pass anything to the function, there is a parameter. So whatever the function accepts, that's an argument. So let's say here we have two numbers like num1 and num2. This add number accept two numbers. Okay. So here I can also pass as a named parameter or name argument. I can say num2 equal to 10, and I can say num1 equal to 19. So this is a named parameter or named argument. Okay. So if I run this code, I still get 29. So that means here the value of num2 would be 10. Even though I'm passing this as the first argument, what I'm saying is num2, the value of num2 should be 10. So here num2 will be 10. So here I'm saying num1 will be 19. So let's print this. Let's print num1 and let's print num2. Okay, and let's not pass anything in this. So you see, we have this position argument cannot appear after keyword argument. So if we're having any named argument, we should have here first. So we should pass all the argument first, and then only after we pass all the other arguments, we can only pass the name arguments. So let's run this code again. You see, we have sum is 29. But what happens if I say num1 equal to 10? Let's run this. It says got multiple value for argument num1 because I'm passing this 19. So it says num1 should be 19. And I also say that num1 equal to 10. So it says num1 is 10. So in this case, it gets multiple arguments. So it's not correct. So we cannot mix it this way, right? So these are named arguments. Now let's say I just passed 19, and we can also have a default argument. Let's say the value of num2 should be 20 by default. If nothing is passed in this argument, like if I run this code, I pass simply 19. But you see, the value of num2 is 20 here because I didn't pass anything. When nothing is passed as an argument, this function will pick the default argument. Here I said the default value of num2 should be 20. But if I pass anything value other than 20 here, let's say in the argument, well, my num2 would be 29. I hope you understand here. If I pass any number, like if I say I have this default argument as 20, num2 is equal to 20, and I don't pass anything here. So in that case, the function will go and pick the default value. So these are all named argument and default arguments. So we'll learn more about this function in the upcoming sessions.